What's up YouTube? And I hope you had a fantastic 2021 start of the year. This is actually my first video for the year 2021. It's been a while since I had a video being uploaded to my channel. I was so busy, really busy, because I have my newest baby joined the family last November. And after she came in, everything's really busy. Like we have work stuff, we have baby stuff, and we have, of course, the two princesses stuff and the wifey and the entire family. Didn't have enough time basically to do a lot of videos, and even my live sessions on my YouTube channel, I wasn't able to do any single one of them. I'm trying to work on the schedule. I'm trying to work on freeing some time to do some videos. But yeah, I mean, today is actually a bit special. I haven't encountered I haven't used a mechanical keyboard ever since. Even when I was a gamer, I was focusing on gaming stuff. When I was still not married, I just use a normal keyboard, and I just normally use a laptop. I'm not really a fan of putting an external keyboard plus a laptop, if you know what I mean. Because again, we have space issues before to our previous recipes. But now I think this is my first time of exploring the mechanical keyboard segment. And I did a lot of research. Basically, we have Razer, we have Ducky, we have Anpro, we have Logitech as well. And I'm really after basically on three things. Number one is portability. I can bring it anywhere, anytime. I have my Herschel bag. It should fit there with no issues. Number two, can connect to all of my devices. I have my office laptop, I have my iPad Pro, and I have my personal laptop as well. In terms of connectivity, that's one thing I'm also looking forward. And also number three is it has the option to do wireless and at the same time wired. So with that being said, I actually purchased today Keychron K6. This is basically a wireless Bluetooth keyboard, mechanical keyboard. I did a lot of research and also watched a lot of reviews on YouTube to ensure that I get a full understanding, a full picture of what I'm purchasing. Because this is not basically a cheap keyboard. I got this from Digital Walker today in SM Aura. Price is 4,980 pesos. I got the aluminum version because I think the body itself, it gives you that premium feeling if you're gonna purchase the aluminum one. I got the blue switch because I like the clicky sound like the Razer one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try to unbox this one. And again, I miss doing this, guys. It's been a while. Let's do the unboxing. Alright, so again, before we do the unboxing, on the box you would see the visuals. It's kind of embossed here on the plastic, so you see the image of that. At the back, it gives you some of the specifications about compact design, dual compatibility. So this can also work on what do you call this? Apple devices or iOS. For Mac and Windows. It's also wireless and wired. It can pair up to 3 devices. Battery life is 4,000 milliamperes. So based from the reviews that I checked, normally it's like 8 to 9 days rather. And also this is RGB, and this is actually how it looks. At the bottom, you would see here some brandings, Keychron. So let's go ahead and try to open this one for the first time. Let's see. Let's try as well to pair this later. Sorry about the shaking. been a while since I had again this kind of intent. I mean, I did some videos recorded earlier, but I haven't really had a time to upload them. But yeah, let's see. Let me set aside that. Okay. So okay. Let's try to pull this one and see what's inside the box. All right. So we have this nice phone. Okay. We do have some instructions or manuals. Okay. This is like the tool that you can get the keys. I really don't know how to use this, so I have to watch some YouTube videos for me to understand. Charger. So this is USB-C. This one is USB-C to USB, I think 2.0 or 3. So yeah, it's braided. Some extra keys. And the orange one too. And aside from that, let me just set aside the keyboard. So here's some manual. So if you're a first-time user of this particular one, I think it's just advisable to watch that or read that. So let me try to put everything here back. Let's try to open and see the keyboard. Okay. It feels like very new to this. I mean, it's been a couple of months since I last did this. So here is our keyboard. Wow, this is so nice. It's a bit heavy. It's actually heavy. And this is how it sounds like. So I actually got the blue switch. It's kind of clicky. If you want a bit of a quiet click, you should get the red. And if you want to have a balance of both, you can get the brown. So on this one, it's actually configured, what do you call this, for Mac. So we can actually change this one to Windows later on. That's the purpose of the extra keys here. And yep, these are now the sections. On this one, this is basically the option wherein you can actually turn the Bluetooth on. And then this one, if you're going to be using it in Windows or Mac. There you go. And let's try to call this connect it in my iPad Pro. Let's see. I actually have my Magic Keyboard over here, but I'm planning to utilize this one as well for a different experience because I don't want my Magic Keyboard to be totally used by this. And let's see. Let's try to turn Bluetooth on. Okay. And let's try to connect it here. Let's see. Searching now the device. Let's see if it's gonna be. There you go. I actually tried to hit FN1 and then letter E combination, and it showed up. I actually removed all the other what do you call this, Bluetooth devices. So it's connected. It shows connected. Let's see if it's going to work here. It's the first time that we tried to pair, and let's see if this is gonna work. There you go, you can see it now. Matches. Oops. To know if I'm working. There you go. Yep, I think that's how you set it up. But let me just try to turn off everything to see how the lights look like. There you go. That's one. That's a different effect. Okay, that's another effect. I think this is gonna be my favorite one. Yeah, this is very nice. I like it. I'm just turning on the lights. Yeah, so I think we're all good with this one. I hope you like this quick unboxing and setup. I'm gonna set this up now to my laptop using the instructions that I shared with you guys. And again, feel free to comment. What do you think? Is this a good wireless keyboard for you? It's a bit thick, by the way, if you're going to check here. So we might need some hand rests while doing some while using this probably. So I'll try to come up with a comment on what's gonna be basically the main stuff here after using it for almost 2 to 3 weeks. But thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. This is Ultimate Pilly Boy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.